Welcome to Royal Palms Bohol, where luxury living meets tropical serenity. Today, I'm so excited to show you one of the grandest homes inside this beautiful community, the Hermoso Grande unit, the biggest home offering here in Royal Palms subdivision. Just look at this stunning Mediterranean-inspired architecture. The Hermoso Grande truly lives up to its name. Hermoso means beautiful, and this home is designed to impress from every angle. This unit has 5 bedrooms, one maid's quarter, and 3 toilet and baths. It also includes a spacious living area, dining and kitchen area, a relaxing lanai, a balcony, and a carport. Every corner of this home reflects comfort, function, and elegance. Just imagine your mornings here, having coffee on your balcony or hosting weekend gatherings with your family and friends in this open space. Inside, you'll find a generous 194 square meters of floor area built on a 180 square meter lot. Truly a home for big families or anyone who loves extra space. And here's the best part. This beautiful Hermoso Grande can be yours for a total selling price of 11.4 million. Reservation fee only 50,000, and with a monthly equity of just 61,000, you can soon call this grand home your own. So, if you're dreaming of a spacious Mediterranean style home right here in Panglao Island, close to the beaches and Tagbilaran City, the Hermoso Grande at Royal Palms Bohol is the perfect choice for you. For more info or to schedule a site viewing, just message me directly. I'll be happy to help you find your next home here in Paradise. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more property tours like this. Once again, this is Ellie, and I'll see you at Royal Palms Bohol.